Hey everyone, today I will tell you how to use an Apple gift card on Clash Royale. In order to do that, first open your App Store. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. Then select Redeem Gift Card. And now here you simply have to enter your Apple gift card number. Once you have redeemed it, you will have some funds into your Apple Store account. Now you have to download the Clash Royale app and make any purchase what you want to. If you want to buy some gems, whatever the things you want to buy, an option always pop up is your Apple Pay in your mobile device. Simply select that and in the Apple Pay you will have some funds which you redeem from Apple gift card, so you won't have any problem. And that's how you can use an Apple gift card on Clash Royale.